Ever bought a toy you were sure your toddler would love, only to watch them wear it as a hat, bang it like a drum, or abandon it for a cardboard box instead? Parenting keeps us humble. The Joyreal Children's Busy Board, though, actually earns its place the multitasking Montessori MVP with skills in motor development, sensory exploration, fine motor training, entertainment, and saving your sanity all at once. Let's dive in. This isn't one of those toys that screams and sings random phrases at 120 decibels and makes you question your life choices. No flashing lights. No repetitive music. Just smart, calming, hands-on learning designed to engage curious minds without overwhelming tender little senses. Montessori parents, deep breathers, minimalists, and anyone who appreciates toys that don't yell, you're going to love this. It's the toy that fits your parenting style and your nervous system. Before we go further, yes, it has 10+ real, mechanical, hands-on activities. Not 10 stickers and a dream. Actual switches, gears, latches, buckles, knobs, and sensory elements designed to train coordination and independence. This busy board gives toddlers the freedom to explore, the challenge to solve problems, and the satisfaction of mastering real-life skills. And for you, a moment of peace, a quiet coffee sip, a chance to answer one email without a toddler demanding to see what's in your cup. It's like gifting them a world of discovery and gifting yourself a breath. Let's talk age. This board is perfect for 18 months and up. If your toddler is in that magical stage where they insist on doing everything themselves, from putting on shoes incorrectly to insisting they can buckle their car seat solo, this toy fuels that energy safely and productively. It's the I do it stage assistant you never knew you needed. It's like handing them a mini toolkit for independence without them actually getting into your real toolbox and fixing your furniture. Little hands get big confidence and big tantrums. They get smaller. Montessori toys work because they let children learn by doing. This board encourages real-world skills and sensory exploration. Toddlers learn to open, close, turn, flip, latch, unzip, and twist, strengthening coordination with every tiny triumph. What looks like play is actually brain growth. Every movement, every success, every tiny struggle builds cognitive and motor pathways. It's like watching your toddler upgrade their brain in real time. And unlike screens, which entertain but rarely teach real physical skills, this board strengthens focus, patience, and hand-eye coordination. And yes, it also drastically reduces the chance they'll try to open your kitchen drawers for scientific research. Parenting, when unlocked, if you've ever wished your toddler had something to fidget with, that isn't your TV remote or the dog's ear keep watching. The beauty of this board is that it keeps up with them. Early on, your child might just explore by touching, tapping, spinning, and discovering. As they get older, they begin figuring out locks, buttons, laces, and switches, developing real mastery and real confidence. Eventually, you'll watch them go from "what does this do?" to "look what I can do." And that moment, that prideful toddler grin, is worth every penny of a toy that's actually teaching. It grows with them, turning curiosity into capability day by day. Imagine this. You're at a restaurant waiting for food. Your toddler looks at you with the face that says, "Entertainment now or chaos begins." Usually you'd panic, scramble, hand over your phone, and pray the volume is off. With this board, you calmly hand them a compact, interactive, tactile playground. Suddenly, your child is focused, using their fingers, turning gears, opening doors, practicing coordination, and you get to talk to another adult for 3 minutes straight. No Paw Patrol, no toddler meltdown, just dignity. And maybe even warm food, imagine. And yes, it's travel-friendly. Throw it in a diaper bag, bring it to grandma's house, use it in the car, at the airport, during appointments, or when you just need to cook dinner without a toddler holding onto your leg like you're giving away free candy. It's like having a tiny portable learning station that keeps their brain busy longer than most toys do. Wherever life takes you, this board becomes your quiet time superhero, keeping little hands engaged and little voices calm. Halfway reminder if you're already thinking, "Okay, I need this." You can grab it here. Back to the magic. The Busy Board is wooden, durable, smooth-edged, safe, and designed to survive toddler life, which is basically chaos with tiny shoes and zero fear. Toddlers are professional durability testers, and this board can take the hits, drops, gnaws, bangs, and experiments. They can poke, twist, drag, and explore without breaking anything or hurting themselves. You know, unlike the time they explored gravity using your phone, or tested sound waves by banging your remote on the floor at 6 a.m. This board doesn't crack under pressure even if you sometimes do. Let's talk benefits in real parent language. Fine motor skills? It means one day they'll dress themselves, use cutlery like a human instead of launching peas across the room, and stop treating pasta like confetti. Hand-eye coordination? It means they'll eventually line up zippers, snaps, and buttons instead of wrestling them with pure toddler willpower. Problem solving? That translates to fewer meltdowns because they learn to try, fail, try again, and succeed toddler resilience building in real time. Patience? Okay, patience is a bonus, but hey, if this toy can help with that, we might be dealing with actual magic. Little by little, all those tiny wins stack up into big independence. This toy supports open-ended play. You don't have to direct coach or hover. You don't need to walk them through anything or Google how to use Montessori toys properly. Just set it down, breathe deeply, and let your tiny human explore freely. Montessori sometimes looks quiet, focused, serene, and sometimes toddlers look like caffeinated baby goats wearing backpacks. This board meets them right where they are, whether they're calm explorers or enthusiastic button mashers. It gives them permission to learn at their pace while giving you permission to sit down for once. No flashing lights. No singing. No batteries. No toddler-induced parental migraines. Honestly, this toy deserves a Nobel Peace Prize for parents. There is emotional growth tucked inside every latch and zipper on this board. When toddlers master something, even something tiny, they feel capable, proud, and big. That I did it myself. Glow, it's priceless. You'll see it in the way they light up, the way they show you, the way they suddenly want to repeat the skill over and over. Those moments build their confidence, and yours too, because you're helping them become capable little humans. Frame that proud face in your memory, or physically frame it, because there will be plenty. Let's be honest, parenting is a full-time survival sport. Feeding, cleaning, soothing, teaching, redirecting, rescuing toys from toilets. You do it all. A toy that creates meaningful, independent play and gives your toddler real developmental benefits? That is a gift not just to them, but also to you. Parenting isn't about entertaining them non-stop. It's about guiding them, then breathing for a moment while they explore safely. A few precious minutes of silence can be life-altering, and this helps you get them without guilt. If you've ever thought, I wish there was one toy that could keep my toddler busy, curious and learning, congratulations, you found it. Soon you'll be the parent calmly handing over a Montessori board instead of a phone. The parent whose toddler sits and focuses while you sip coffee like a civilized adult. The calm, confident parent with a secret tool in their bag, one that turns chaos moments into calm exploration. Meanwhile, your toddler becomes a little problem-solving machine with tiny fingers and giant curiosity, dreaming of opening every latch in the house one day, but practicing safely here instead. Now is the moment. Choose the tool that teaches, entertains, and grows with your child from toddlerhood into early childhood. Less noise, more learning, more peace, more proud little smiles and look what I did moments. And yes, more coffee sips for you, taken in quiet with both hands free, because you deserve a toy that works just as hard as you do and gives something back. Calm, confidence, and tiny victories every single day. Order here. Your toddler will have a blast learning and exploring with this busy board, and you'll enjoy those peaceful moments while they build independence and confidence. It supports real growth, happy I did it milestones, and smoother, calmer parenting days, making early learning fun for both of you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and you want more toy tips that actually work and don't end up under the couch forever, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe.